Your organization has thousands of hours of recorded meetings, training videos, customer calls, and broadcast content. Right now that footage is essentially a black box, unsearchable, unindexed, and impossible to mine for insights. Azure AI Video Indexer is Microsoft's managed video intelligence service that automatically transcribes, translates, indexes, and extracts insights from video and audio at scale. It surfaces speakers, topics, keywords, brands, named entities, emotions, and on-screen text from every minute of footage. This video covers everything you need to know. Video archives create 5 compounding problems that make them nearly impossible to use at scale. Transcription of recorded calls and meetings is accurate only 70 to 80% for general-purpose ASR unless tuned to your domain. Speaker-diarization, knowing who said what, requires specialized acoustic models that most teams cannot build. Shot and scene detection for indexing requires computer vision models trained on hours of labeled footage. Named entity recognition in spoken audio needs NLP models that handle transcription errors. And without a searchable index, finding the 30 seconds in a 2-hour video that mentions a specific product or compliance risk is impossible. Azure AI Video Indexer is Microsoft's fully managed video and audio intelligence platform. It ships 6 automatic insight extraction capabilities in one service: speech transcription with speaker diarization across 50+ languages, visual analysis for shot detection, keyframe extraction, and on-screen text OCR, face and celebrity recognition, named entity extraction for people, locations, and brands from both audio and on-screen text, topic and keyword modeling, and sentiment and emotion analysis for each speaker segment. A REST API and embeddable widget let you surface these insights in your own applications. Video Indexer processes a video in 5 steps. Upload your video file or provide a URL from Azure Blob Storage, a media URL, or a Teams recording. Video Indexer runs parallel audio and visual analysis pipelines simultaneously. The audio pipeline transcribes, diarizes speakers, extracts named entities, and detects sentiment. The visual pipeline identifies shots, extracts keyframes, reads on-screen text, and detects faces. Both pipelines merge into a unified JSON insight document with time-coded annotations you can search, export, or feed into downstream systems. Video Indexer has 5 processing modules running in parallel. The speech module transcribes audio, diarizes speakers, and translates into 50+ languages. The OCR module reads text that appears on screen in slides, documents, and whiteboards. The vision module detects scene shots, extracts representative keyframes, and identifies faces and celebrities. The NLP module extracts named entities, topics, and keywords from both transcripts and on-screen text. The sentiment module scores emotion and tone per speaker turn. All 5 feed into a single searchable index. How does Azure AI Video Indexer compare? AWS recognition video covers face and label detection but requires you to assemble transcription, OCR, and NLP separately. Google Video Intelligence API detects scenes, labels, and speech but has no speaker diarization or integrated NLP entity extraction. Custom FFmpeg pipelines with Whisper and open source NLP give you full control but mean building and maintaining 6 separate model pipelines yourself. Azure AI Video Indexer leads on the combination of integrated diarization, entity extraction, topic modeling, and the out-of-the-box embeddable search widget. Azure AI Video Indexer processes video at up to 5x real-time speed. A 1-hour video produces a complete insight document in under 12 minutes. It supports over 50 languages for transcription and translation. The service has indexed over 1 billion minutes of video content for enterprise customers in media, education, financial services, and legal sectors. Azure AI Video Indexer powers 5 categories of enterprise video intelligence. Corporate meeting archives make recorded Teams and Zoom meetings fully searchable. Find every mention of a project name, risk term, or decision across thousands of hours of recordings. Media and broadcast companies use shot detection and keyframe extraction to automate metadata tagging and content clipping for sports highlights, news archives, and on-demand libraries. Compliance and legal teams mine call center recordings and deposition videos for specific statements, speakers, and entity mentions without manual review. E-learning platforms auto-generate accurate captions, chapter markers, and searchable transcripts for training video libraries. Earnings call and analyst meeting archives are indexed so investors and analysts can search specific financial statements and management commentary across years of recordings. 3 API calls to index a video and retrieve insights. Upload the video to get a video ID. Poll the index status until processing is complete, then call the Insights endpoint to retrieve the full JSON document with transcripts, speaker segments, named entities, keywords, and shot boundaries, all with millisecond timestamps. Use the REST API directly or the Azure Video Indexer Python client. The embeddable widget takes your access token and video ID and renders a full search and playback UI in your application with zero front-end code. Use Azure AI Video Indexer when you need automatic transcription, diarization, entity extraction, and topic indexing across large video archives for meetings, media, compliance, or e-learning. It is the right choice when you want a complete out-of-the-box pipeline without assembling individual speech, vision, and NLP models. Skip it for real-time live streaming intelligence. Video Indexer is designed for post-recording batch processing, not sub-second latency. For live caption streaming, use Azure AI Speech directly. For deep visual reasoning over video frames, Azure OpenAI with GPT-4o Vision will give you richer language-grounded analysis. Azure AI Video Indexer in 5 points. 1. Speech transcription with speaker-diarization across 50+ languages and automatic translation in one upload. 2. Visual analysis with shot detection, keyframe extraction, face and celebrity recognition, and on-screen text OCR. 3. NLP extraction of named entities, topics, and keywords from both audio and visual streams. 4. Sentiment and emotion scoring per speaker segment for compliance and customer experience analysis. 5. REST API plus an embeddable search widget that surfaces all insights with time-coded playback in your own application with zero front-end code. Stop leaving your video archives as unsearchable black boxes. Azure AI Video Indexer automatically transcribes, diarizes, and indexes every minute of footage. Start at aka.ms/Azure Video Indexer.